So, about 4 years ago, I found myself in post-earthquake Haiti, building a not-for-profit organisation that worked in the education sector. Very quickly, I realised that no matter whether you're building a non-profit organisation, a small company, or a large company, it's about connecting the dots. The dots between your client, your communication data, your email data, your financial data. So, we built GoCatalyze, a beautiful and elegant interface powered by a powerful data engine that focuses on the data that is generated within companies and within organizations. So let's quickly have a look at the current situation. Well, the world is a busy place, and it's just getting busier. Companies that no longer utilize their data properly will soon become non-competitive. Some companies are using data well, for example, to market to you based on your shopping habits. Other organizations, like the NSA, well, they're using data for perhaps a more sinister purpose. But what are we using it for at GoCatalyze? So, we're a data intelligence platform, and we enable you to do 3 things. 1, get data in. So that's via our intuitive connection service, via an API, or via our beautiful mobile interface using our proprietary software. 2, we turn that data into insight to be able to report and visualize that. And that's utilizing our drag and drop interface for profile creation, again, reducing the barriers to entry. And this is registered intellectual property around the visualization, network theory, and context generation. Finally, we enable you to turn that data into action by a beautiful workflow interface, which means that even non-technical users can model out their own business workflows in a simple process. But let's dive into some applications, and these are real-world applications. So this is one of Australia's largest construction firms, and they were having a problem. One of these dots is actually a person in the company, and they've got a profile automatically generated in the system which has a look at their communication networks and how they're interacting. But what about the social sector? So that not-for-profit I discussed earlier, well, we integrated with our social media accounts, our Dropbox for our file storage, and then our financial packages for our donor data. And this is a real story. We're at a school, we're taking photos as part of our reporting system, we completed our surveys, uploaded those straight into Dropbox, and then automatically they were tweeted out to the particular donors that had supported that personalised school, creating a very personal experience. So our donations the next weeks went through the roof. Now how about the legal industry? Now I'm a reformed lawyer or law student here today, now in the tech industry. So, I was a law clerk once, trawling through all those cases, very manual process of finding out which legal principle is the most effective one. Well, we integrated GoCatalyze with the court reporting system. So now a lawyer or a legal clerk can easily query a case or a principle of law, say immigration law, now visualize that on a map, and they can automatically see which cases are the most influential cases and trace that through visually, and we've found this reduces time by hours in barristers' chambers. And this is happening right now. I was there last week. So, our execution and go-to-market. We're SaaS-based, and we've got multiple vectors into a company. An individual can go in using it for their own personal records, or a department, or an entire organization. And then we expand horizontally to cover the whole organization, like we did in the construction firm. So it's a grassroots approach, like Yammer or Dropbox. And we're already making it happen. We're in the education sector, the SME industry, the financial services industry. 9 months in the market, we have 1 provisional patent application. We've been seeing an increase in data, 300% per week stored in the system. And we've been cash flow positive since day 1. We've gone to 0 to 400 paying users. We've got 6 employees now, as well as the 4 founders. And it's all been organic, no investment. We're focusing on the SME and financial services industry. And we've got our first UK, US customers, and we're pushing out into that market through strategic partnerships, like the United Nations and local resellers. Thank you.